All right, let me just see over here. That's still on the roof. I think that's the end there, and it goes all the way to the roof. It went through the gutter. I got a hole in the gutter, and it looks like I got three big branches on the roof. More than half of the house is branches. Let me see if I could get it. Here I got plenty of branches. More over here. I'm gonna try to do it quick. There's a, I had like the fence I made years ago. That's all down on that side. There's the deck. There's something that's got to, when I redo the kitchen, marble top, or granite top, I mean. All right. Plus, I got the branch on the other side, which I'm not gonna take. But here, just branches came down like crazy, and the slow branches hanging up. The fence on the other side from here on. Oh, here's a part of the piece of wood that's out over here. My fence is gone. Oh no, but at least that's all that happened, which isn't too bad. And branches in the back. I still didn't go all the way down, so look. Branches all along here. Along here. So yesterday, the whole day, branches were coming down until about 12 midnight or 1 in the morning. But here they're building a new house. They cut down the second floor, they just take it down and expand on the first floor and make a bigger house. There we go. Hey, nice, a lot of trees, yeah. And crack. we don't know what, let me just stop it here. Oh no, 2 minutes already, okay.